Welcome to Blackwater Tech. In this video I'm just going to remind you of how to change the head O-rings. So as you see there, I've got the head resting on the block there. That's just to keep the O-rings off of my towel here so it doesn't pick up any fluff or dirt. That's how I'd recommend doing it. You've got 3 O-rings. This one is slightly fatter and smaller, however it will go onto here, and then you'll find it very difficult to get your head in and out of the aluminium housing. So this one, once again, these 3 O-rings are all part of the JJ O-ring service kit. As you see there, it came off very easily. I'm just going to clean that of any dirt, and you want to clean out this channel. You could use a dry, soft toothbrush just to get in the groove there. You may want to rub some tissue there just to make sure. Okay, inspect the O-ring, of course, looking for any damage, squareness, flatness. If you're happy with everything, you can grease it up and put it back on. So I normally grease this one up first so I don't confuse it with the others. I'm used to it, so I can see the difference in them, but not everyone does, so it's a common mistake. So to put this back on, I'm just going around the bottom. They're quite robust. You can see there, that's nicely in place. All right, next 2. So I'm just gonna hook that out, pull it off over my wrist. Next one, normally if you're shore diving, this top one can be quite messy, you can get sand build up. So once again, you may just want to brush out any sand or any bits with a dry, soft brush. You may rub a Q-tip or tissue around the groove like so. And the top one. Okay, so nice and clean. Inspect the O-rings. No hairs, no sand, no bits, no damage. Still nice and round. So the easy way to get these on, just gonna put some more grease on there, make it nice and shiny. Okay, so with this one, I just go under here, in between this bit here and there, so you can get it round nice and easily, and then you can just stretch it out with both fingers and get it into position. That's the easiest way to do it. They're quite robust, you can stretch it a lot. So once again, round there, and then okay, and if you want, you can put an extra wipe of silicone grease around the O-rings. I always put a little bit inside the aluminium housing, just on the lip, which I'll show you in my tips and tricks videos. And there we go, head's ready for diving. So thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment, and if there's anything else you'd like to see, just let me know. Thanks.